What's up, everybody? Today we're going to make some Instapot ribs, which are going to be amazing. So go ahead and rub them with your favorite rub. Then we're going to start off with our Instapot at the meat and stew setting. Get up temperature, let it cook for 35 to 40 minutes. I did these ones at about 35, but you might want them a little bit more done. And once you get done, this is what you're going to get, a little bit of a super tender looking rib. Just go ahead and dump the juices out, grab a beer, let it cool off a little bit, make it easier to handle so they don't fall apart as much when you're moving them. And then you're going to go ahead and transfer them to a broiler pan, or right here I got a little cookie cooling rack. I'm going to go ahead and sauce them up, throw them in the broiler for 5 minutes, and voila, you're going to get the best ribs you could ever make in under an hour. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and enjoy.